In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a table in Canva. We'll begin on the Canva homepage. Click Create a design, then choose a template that suits your project or type in a custom size if you already know the exact dimensions. Picking the correct canvas size at the start saves time later, especially if your table is destined for a slide deck, a social post, or a printable document. If you're unsure, choose a common size and you can still refine the layout as you go. Next, look to the left sidebar and open Elements. In the search bar, type Table. You'll see a variety of styles, from clean grids to more decorative layouts. Select the one that best fits your visual tone, and Canva will place it directly on your canvas. If it lands off-center, just drag it into position. Snapping guides will help you align it neatly with other elements. With the table on your canvas, resize it by dragging the corners or edges until it sits comfortably within your design. If you need more room for your content, add rows and columns. If you need less, remove them so the table stays tidy. Click any cell to start typing. Use the top toolbar to customize your text. Choose the font, adjust size, set alignment, and apply color. For clarity, style the header row slightly differently from the body text, such as using a bolder weight or a touch more size. Consider contrast as you choose colors. Dark text on a light fill, or the reverse, boosts readability. Now, let's refine the look. With the table selected, open the color options to assign fills to cells or entire rows. Highlighting a header or alternating row colors can help readers scan information quickly. Explore effects to add subtle visual depth if needed, keeping effects minimal so the data remains the star. Borders, background fills, and gentle highlights can separate sections without clutter. If your design has a brand palette, apply those colors for consistency across your project. Zooming in while you style can help you make precise choices and keep spacing clean. When you're satisfied, it's time to save. Go to the top right corner, click Share, and choose Download. Pick the format that matches your goal. PNG for crisp graphics on the web, JPG for smaller file sizes, or PDF for documents that you'll print or share professionally. Review any quality settings, then download to your device. That's it. You've created, customized, styled, and saved a clean, professional table in Canva, ready to use wherever you need it.